Unveiling Workshop Materials, a guide to essential learning tools. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're exploring the term workshop materials. Whether you're a student, educator, or lifelong learner, understanding this phrase is key to enhancing your learning journey. So, let's break it down together. Workshop materials refer to any resources, tools, or documents used during a workshop to facilitate learning and engagement. These materials can range from printed handouts and worksheets to digital presentations and interactive tools. They are designed to support the workshop's objectives, making the learning experience more effective and engaging for participants. There are several types of workshop materials, each serving a unique purpose. Printed materials, such as handouts, worksheets, and manuals, provide tangible resources participants can refer to during and after the workshop. Digital materials, including slideshows, videos, and online resources, offer interactive and multimedia approaches to learning. Supplies and equipment. Depending on the workshop's nature, materials might also include art supplies, software, or other tools necessary for practical exercises. Workshop materials are not just supplementary, they are central to the learning process. They help to clarify complex concepts through visual aids and examples, enhance engagement by involving participants in interactive activities, facilitate hands-on learning through exercises and real-world applications, serve as reference materials for future review and practice. Selecting effective workshop materials involves considering the workshop's goals, the participants' needs, and the available resources. Effective materials should be relevant to the workshop's objectives, accessible to all participants, considering different learning styles and needs, engaging and designed to stimulate interest and interaction. Understanding and utilizing the right workshop materials can significantly enhance the effectiveness of any learning experience. Whether you're attending a workshop or planning one, keep in mind the power of well-chosen materials in achieving educational goals. We hope this video has shed some light on the importance and diversity of workshop materials. Thank you for watching, and happy learning! Remember, the journey of learning is ongoing, and every resource you encounter is a step towards greater knowledge and understanding. See you in our next video.